Git Reset is a powerful command that allows you to change the state of your Git repository in many ways, but mainly by changing where your current branch is pointing. It's a tool for undoing changes, but it must be used with caution because it can permanently delete commits from your history. One of my favorite ways of learning Git is by ruining things, and we're going to ruin a lot in this video, mainly the main activity.kotlin file. Okay, so here we have a normal Kotlin file. Let's say that I'm making a change, for example. This is my new change. Okay. By default, let's clear our terminal and call git status. By default, any change that you make will be unstaged. Okay. If you want to stage it, you can write git add space dot. Now, if you write git status, you will see that Git is now tracking this file. Okay. What if I want to untrack it again? Well, here you can use a command called git reset. Okay. And after git reset, as you can see by default, the change is still there. Okay. But if you call git status, the whole file is now unstaged. And that's the first option that you can use with git reset. Okay, and that's by default the mixed option. Okay, because you have three options that you can use. You can have git reset dash dash soft and dash dash mixed and hard as well. Okay, by default you get the mixed option. Well, what if we want to try out the soft option? Okay, right here, let's add this change and commit it. Let me show you how this will work. Did I commit it previously? I don't think so. Git commit dash m. This is my new change. Okay, that's our first commit. Let's add another one, for example, in our strings file. Okay, let's simulate that we added a feature second right there. And let's add it and commit it. I'm just used to working with the terminal in Git, okay? You can work with the Git GUI as we've shown in the previous videos, okay? But remember, it's for the week. Here we have second feature, okay? That won't matter, but it's better just for the sake of a change. Git commit add second feature. Okay, and there we have two commits made just like that. If you click on the Git tab right there, you can see that we have this is my new change and add second feature. Okay, let's see what the soft command does. So right here, just write git reset dash dash soft. And after that, you're going to write head with a capital H. And I'm going to use this sign, which is the approximate sign if you want. I'm not sure if you have another name for that. And after that, I want to write 2. Okay. Click on enter. And now, if you go to your Git tab, as you can see, those last 2 commits are no longer there. But your changes are still there. Okay, if you go to your terminal, clear it and write git status. As you can see, both of your changes from those previous 2 commits are still there. Okay, and they are staged as well. This is the first change from the first commit, and this is the second change. Okay, this soft option you can use, for example, when you want to maybe merge several commits into a single commit. Okay, you can use it for that, or For example, if you want to take these two commits and maybe stash them and move them to another branch if you want. Okay, you have that option with the soft option, which I use more often than the other options. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And here you have both of these changes. Let's just commit them into a single commit. Very creative, without pushing them for now. Here we have our single commit. And let me now show you the Git Reset. First, before showing you the Git Reset hard option, let me just go over this again. You have to write Git Reset followed by the option. And after that, you have to use the head keyword because you want to move where the current branch is pointing. Okay, and to catch that branch, you have to catch it from its head. Okay, that's how I understand it at least. Followed by that, you have to use this sign, and after that, you have to specify how many commits you want to go back. Okay, in our previous example, we went back with 2 commits, and as you saw previously, the 2 commits that were there got deleted from the history. Okay, but not as changes in our files. But if you substitute the soft option for the hard option with head 1, because we want to remove this commit, if you click on enter, you no longer have your changes in the main activity or in the strings file, and your commit got removed from the commit history as well. Okay, so the hard option is the drastic option. You have to be very careful when using it. To be on the safe side, you can always use the soft option and maybe stash away the changes if you don't want them. Move them to a separate branch. Okay, so that you can avoid losing them, because with the hard option, you definitely lose them. Okay, they got removed from your files and from the commit history as well. Okay. If you like my type of content and you find it to be relatable, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video.